All right, so we're gonna do a flag repair using some simple things here. Get this grommet kit I got for something else, but anyway, it's a grommet kit. Get them cheap, a few bucks off Amazon. Some black duct tape or any kind of duct tape. Kind of works really well here. I like to use a heat gun for better adhesion, and I have a little clamp here. This is our flag friend here, James. So we're gonna fix this broken grommet ripped out here on flag to look like, we're gonna fix it to look like this. So I'm gonna get a few pieces of, first things first, I want to make sure this is clean, but so it sticks to it, or it's not wet or dirty. So make sure it's dry. Alcohol always works well. It's soaking enough alcohol and then let it dry out. So get your pieces of duct tape. Cover the hole. Wrapping it around. I didn't center that properly, but hey, just gonna grab it. It's better than a flag in the trash right now. The first layer I like to heat up so it sticks to it, the flag, pretty well. This is good because you can turn cheap flags into some really heavy duty flags that could stand some heavy winds. If you get matching duct tape, matches it white, whatever, you blend it in better. But you got that going on, and I'm just gonna double or triple it up. Top, I like to go two different directions here. Okay. And back this way again. Okay. Now, it's pretty bulky. Might be a little loose. I like to heat this thing up. Careful, watch you don't overheat it, because if not, some of these flags can be made out of real cheap nylon, like this one here. You can melt it, so you want to get nice and warm, crazy. This is where I get it, a little press right here, a little bench vise right here. Squeeze that. We got that adhesive all the way through, nice and flat. Take our hole punch here. Anywhere really. Through. Load up the grommet machine, clamper, whatever you want to call it. All right, loaded up. Got the grommet one side on here. It's magnetic, so they stay in place. Right in the hole. And this will outlast the flag most of the time. All right, guys. Let's go Flyers.